हेलो गाइस। इस वीडियो में हम स्पेयर एंड स्पेयर की इक्वेशन एंड कंडीशन फॉर ए स्पेयर एंड प्लेन सेक्शन ऑफ ए स्पेयर के बारे में जानेंगे। स्पेयर, फर्स्ट स्पेयर की डेफिनेशन। ए स्पेयर इज ए locus of a point which moves so that its distance from a fixed point always remains constant. Let's it is the fixed point. Let O. O is the origin, but we can. This is origin. This is the fixed point that moves so that its distance from this fixed point O is remains constant r. And this fixed point is called center of the sphere, and this fixed distance is called radius. एंड इस प्लेन की इक्वेशन को लिखने की चार फॉर्म्स स्टैंडर्ड्स हैं। तो फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस जेड स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए। हेयर origin is the center of the sphere and radius is a. Then this is the standard form, and in the central form, if center is ABC and radius is r, then this is the equation of the sphere. And in the general form, this is the general form of the equation, and in this general form the radius of the sphere is u square plus b square plus w square minus t का under root. And the center of this sphere is minus u minus b minus w. इस माइनस साइन का जरूर ध्यान रखिएगा, बहुत गलती हो जाती है। एंड कंडीशन फॉर ए स्पेयर इस this is the second degree general second degree equation, and this can represent a paraboloid, ellipsoid, a pairs of a plane. ये एक स्पेयर को कब रिप्रेजेंट करेगी, इसकी कंडीशन क्या क्या है। इफ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर एंड कोफिशिएंट ऑफ वाई स्क्वायर एंड कोफिशिएंट ऑफ जेड स्क्वायर्स are equal. Here coefficient of x square is a and coefficient of y square is equal to b and coefficient of z square is equal to c, then a b c are equal. And the terms, the coefficient of y z and zx and xy are 0, then these are not there. f g h all are 0, f g h all are 0. Then b can reduce this long equation in this form. A b c are equal, then b can take commons, then b can reduce in this form. And fourth form is a diameter form. If we know, and this is a circle and this is a diameter and its end point is a and b, then equation of a sphere is, if coefficient of a is x1 y1 z1 and coefficient of b is x2 y2 z2, then equation is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 plus z minus z1 into z minus z2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the sphere in the diameter form. And next is plane section of a sphere. B can visualize by graph. This is a sphere and this is a plane. Let z is equal to 2, and this plane cut this sphere, then we can visualize by, then we can easily show this is the sphere, this is the sphere, and this cut part is circle. This we can visualize. This cut part is a circle. If we want to find the equation of this circle, then in we can find the equation of a circle if we know the radius of the circle and center of the circle. We can easily find the radius of circle. A is the radius of sphere, radius of the sphere, and P is the perpendicular distance from origin nahi, center of the sphere. This is the center of the sphere, and P is the perpendicular distance from center of the sphere to plane. We can say it minimum distance center of the sphere and plane. This is the 90-degree angle. This is the perpendicular. This is the perpendicular. And we want to find this radius r of the circle. Then r is equal to root a square minus b square by Pythagoras theorem. And next we want the center of the circle. The center of the circle is the perpendicular from center of the sphere on the plane. We want to find this point. Then we can find this is the perpendicular from the center of the sphere. If अगर आप इसके बारे में डिटेल चाहते हो तो आप कमेंट करके बता सकते हो. देन वी कैन डिटेल प्रूफ ऑफ दिस. मैं एक क्वेश्चन भी करा सकता हूँ इसके ऊपर प्लेन सेक्शन ऑफ इसके, अगर आप कमेंट में बताओगे तो. दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इक्वेशन ऑफ द सर्कल. If we can write equation of the circle in this form. If we write a equation of the sphere and the plane equation together, then it represents a circle. जब ये दो इक्वेशन साथ में लिखी जाती है तो वो एक रिप्रेजेंट करती है, जो उन दोनों के कट से जो चीज़ बनती है उसको उसकी इक्वेशन रिप्रेजेंट करती है दोनों एक साथ. एंड अब हम जानते हैं कि एक स्फीयर एंड ए प्लेन कट करता है तो एक सर्कल बनता है. देन दिस इक्वेशन इज ऑफ ए सर्कल. वैसे ही कोई प्लेन अगर इलिप्सॉइड को कट करता है तो एक इलिप्स बनता है. देन इफ वी राइट equation of ellipsoid and equation of plane together, then it represent a ellipse. This is the key point. All right, this is the video, and if you want the detail about plane section of a sphere, how can find photo perpendicular, then tell in the comment. We can make a detailed video on this. And thank you guys. Please, if you like the video, then like.